Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Nicole and I like to create fashion DIYs. And in today's video, I made a Reformation inspired dress. The dress that I converted was actually a dress I picked up from Value Village. It was this oversized, shapeless dress with this really cute leopard print fabric. So I knew immediately when I saw this dress that I wanted to recreate it and make it something Reformation inspired. So that is exactly what I attempted to do. So please let me know what you think in the comments below, and please be sure to subscribe if you want to see more DIYs in the future. And yeah, let's get into the tutorial. So to make this dress, I'm going to be drafting a pattern from an existing dress that I own. I did this by tracing out the dress along the seam lines onto the pattern paper. Since I was changing the neckline of the dress, I used a different shirt to create the neckline I wanted. Then I went back over all the lines I drew with my ruler and my French curve, before adding a 1/4 inch seam allowance. For the pattern pieces, I only draw out half the pattern piece on the fold line, so when I cut my pattern out, it will be symmetrical. I then repeated the steps to create pieces for the front and back bodice, skirt, and sleeves. Next up, I'm going to separate the front and back of the dress by cutting along the seam line. So I have two separate pieces. Then, folding the piece in half, I laid my pattern pieces out, careful to make sure everything fit correctly before using my rotary blade to cut the pieces out. The back pieces of the dress will not be cut along the fold line to create two separate pieces, since I will be adding a zipper. The first thing I did was match up the front and the back bodice with right sides together, sewing across the side seams and shoulder seams. Next, it was time to work on the sleeves. Since I didn't have enough fabric to make the sleeve in one piece, I had to make it into two, and then sewed them together to make the full sleeve. Then to close the sleeves, I sewed right sides together. Now it's time to attach the sleeve to the bodice. With right sides together, so the bodice was inside out and the sleeve is right side out, I placed the sleeve inside the bodice and matched up the raw edges, the side seams, and double checked that they were on the right sides before sewing. To finish the bodice, I then had to hem the neckline and sleeves of the dress. I did that with a double folded 1/4 inch hem. Moving on to the skirt, I sewed the front and the back with right sides together, then sewed the bodice and the skirt together. The final step was to add the zipper. I marked where the zipper was going to stop on the dress and sewed the back of the skirt together until that mark, and attached the zipper. I have a video showing you how to install zippers, and I will have it linked below and in the cards above. And the dress was done, and this is how it turned out. Honestly, it turned out how I wanted it to, so I'm really happy with this dress, and I know I'm going to be getting a lot of wear out of it. And that's it for this video, guys. If you like this transformation, please give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what you think, and I will see you in the next one.